First, I would like to invite on stage the Professor and HOD of Neurophysiotherapy, Dr. Saili. Dr. Saili, yes. Let us please give her a big round of applause. Wait. The citation says, Myers MIT Group of Institutions, Pune, India, citation of honor, and it is signed by Dr. Mangesh Karatsa, the member trustee of Myers MIT Pune, president of managing committee, and Shri Rahul V. Karatsa, managing trustee and executive president of Myers MIT Pune. So this is a standard citation format. I will now read a paragraph that introduces Dr. Saili. Being a neurophysicist, you have taken interest and vast experience of neurorehabilitation of stroke and CP patients. There are many publications and research work on your name. Your dedication and commitment towards your profession and recognition that you have in the field makes you a true jewel in the crown of MIT family. Please put your hands together and congratulate Dr. Saili. A big round of applause, my friends. अतिशय नयनरम्य असे एक क्षण, फुलांच्या वर्षावात या सर्वांच्या कार्याची आणि त्यांनी दिलेल्या योगदानाची ही पोचपावती. Once again, a big round of applause, my friends. Thank you. I would now like to invite on stage Dr. Anuradha Parasar, the Dean of School of Liberal Arts, Fine Arts, Media and Journalism, Performing Arts, Law, and co-chairperson of IQAC at MIT World Peace University, Pune. I would now read the citation of honor. You have institutionalized the innovative system and processes with respect to academic matters, registry matters, examinations, student affairs, and student support. Your teaching and research interests lies in general management and law, research methodology, ethics and values, business law, business and society, sociology of work, community connect, sociology and anthropology. It is through your tireless efforts that MIT WPU School of Liberal Arts, Fine Arts, Media, and Journalism are today ranked among the premier institutions of our country. Please put your hands together and congratulate Dr. Anuradha Parasar. A big round of applause, my friends, for Dr. Anuradha Parasar. A very momentous occasion of 39th Foundation Day. A big round of applause once again. Hearty congratulations, ma'am. I would now like to invite on stage HOD of ICU at Vishwaraj Hospital, Dr. Vijay Khandale. And I would now read the citation of honor. You have dedicated your life to the pursuit of medicine and to ease the suffering of your fellow humans. Not only that, but you choose to specialize in critical care and pain. You received your MD in anesthesia from Tata Memorial Hospital in Mumbai. Thereafter, you worked as an intensivist at Global Hospital Mumbai, where you also gained experience in managing acute liver failure, chronic liver failure, and liver transplant patients. Please put your hands together and congratulate Dr. Vijay Khandale ji. Heartiest congratulations, Dr. Vijay Khandareji, on your important contribution to Myers MIT Group of Institutions. Heartiest congratulations. I would now like to request on stage the principal of MIT School of Bioengineering Sciences and Research at Loni, Dr. Renu Vyasji. I would now read the citation of honor. As principal of MIT School of Bioengineering Sciences and Research, you have played an instrumental role in executing the vision and goal of the institute. The Bioengineering Institute started in 2016, and from its inception, you have helped in building the important culture at the institute. You have helped nurture the institute with your excellent administrative acumen, team-building capacity, and leadership skills. Under your guidance, the students of Bioengineering Institutes have already filed for 7 patents and 21 research publications just in year 2020-2021 alone. Let us welcome and congratulate with big round of applause Dr. Renu Vyasji. Heartiest congratulations, Dr. Vyas. Indeed, a glorious academic contribution. In 1 year, filing 7 patents and 21 research publications. Thank you very much. I would now like to invite on stage the HOD of Examinations, Srimati Shobha Kale. I would now read the citation of honor. You are a skilled teacher with proven ability to improve students' learning through tailored reading, writing, and study skills, and have used your experience and passion for teaching to establish collaborative teaching and learning environment. You have conducted teachers' workshop, academic audit, induction program for teachers, and created, most important, SOPs for centralized examination system. You have also successfully completed certifications by Macmillan, Oxford, Ratnasagar, and Government of Maharashtra, and trained by ZP Pune for the new syllabus and methods of teaching. Let us congratulate with big round of applause Srimati Shobha Kale. A big round of applause for Srimati Shobha Kale, HOD of Examinations. Congratulations, Shobha Kale Madam, HOD of Examinations, School Division. Heartiest congratulations. Thank you. I would now like to invite on stage IB Diploma Program Coordinator at Myers VGS IB Loni, Srimati Evelyn Sheen Singh. I would now read the citation of honor. You started your journey with us as head of English department at Vishwashanti Gurukul World School more than 12 years ago. You took charge as IBDP coordinator in addition to your earlier charge and have worked tirelessly for the good for your students and the institute. In fact, it is under your guidance that 3 students participated in handling the entire communications with IB Center, and you actively supported students to take up community services. Additionally, you supervised Ayush Goyal's EE in English, which got a perfect score as well. Let us put our hands together and congratulate Srimati Evelyn Sheen Singh. Heartiest congratulations, Madam Singh. I would now like to invite on stage in charge of nursing staff of ICU at MIMSR, Srimati Kondabai Bhosle. Srimati Kondabai Bhosle, I would now read the citation of honor. In your tenure as the in charge of staff nurses at the intensive care unit of YCR Hospital in Latur, you have worked with great zeal and even greater enthusiasm. You helped the patients and their relatives ensure that you soothe all the nerves. But it was during the COVID pandemic that your skills were truly shown. You offered extraordinary service during the first and second wave of COVID, where you are... No, I was waiting for the applaud because you really deserve it. For honesty and the hard work saved countless lives in building the morale of the all involved during these difficult times. Let's put our hands together and congratulate the COVID warrior, Srimati